What's up, folks? Jacob here. Yesterday for Christmas, I've got PS4 Marvel Avengers, PS4 Lego Marvel Superheroes 2, Lego Marvel Avengers for the 3DS, and Pokemon Snap for the Nintendo 64. So let's start with Marvel Avengers for the PS4. This game is rated T. This is the front, the side, and this is the back. This game is rated T. And inside, one disc only. A Blu-ray disc. The game is rated T. Next one is Marvel Superheroes, Lego Marvel Superheroes 2. The game is rated Everyone 10 and Up from WB Games, TT Games. The side, the front, and the back is rated E10+. It's from Lego, and we have one disc only. Pretty good. Next one is Lego Marvel Avengers for the 3DS. The side and the back and the front, of course. That game is rated Everyone 10 and Up. And inside we have the game card. The game is rated E10+. And the instructions. And the last one is Pokemon Snap for N64. I really like this game. This is the back. So let's take a look. So here's the game, Pokemon Snap. This one is pretty good. And that's all for this Christmas update. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Season's greetings, and Happy Christmas to you. This is Jacob Dunlop signing off. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and click the bell button for more videos.